oyisirwe na amanyonka Geoffrey Kato ow'emyaka 22 kandi ogu ayisirwe abakumi ba Magnum Security Company abakurinda itaka rya ranch. Ogu ayisirwe obwabiragiire yo kurisa ababikirizine obutazika okusya abibyo kwerinda barabahe report
kwayo abantu baliyo kwayo abantu baliyo bafwa government eshitamira disi ya shereka duso cabinet yona district tenor
bizire hano a office ya RDC tulesere omuntu wetu bayisire bamulasire masasi bamuteire masasi bamusangire wetu muka alisize nti bamutera masasi
time of burial no even a single policeman or any security person coming to the burial place telling us we are sorry for what had happened. Yes. Even the hospital staff, no even one person. If you are the one, what do you think?
Idis Arguma ori chairman w'entebe ya katano ahabwa district ya Kiryandongo yabahikaho niko kubashobora ngo enshonga babire batazimanyire.
Happened where we are not, but we are all here responding to what happened. The outcrying is postmortem report have been in the hospital. Some of you are locally charged. We have already moved up to the side of officer. Let us remain calm.
Okay.
Because already there is a discussion which is going on.
Investor bakija batwara amataka g'abantu bayibembeza abantu bo kwita abandi hata nibeje batushanga batera amasasi bake bayiha bagira ngo tukagenda twarumba company ngo niyo abantu bagenzere barumba company babatera amasasi.
They are conniving, they are all the time money. Even the district leadership.
Necyo busasi munonga kuri abantu twenateranira habwe bizubu nibatwita nkensenene nensenene mfundaho bandikana bazikwatage bakaza kuziriya itwete bakutwenda nibatwita tenor kutuyamba Kiryandongo district into breeding.
Dan Muganga or RDC wa Kiryandongo turiko gamba nawe ahasumu yagira ngo abantu barwanira itaka rya government kandi yabashashwire kare ngo barijemu.
However, the section of the community, I'm told, was again bringing the cattle into the ranch, and the guards were impounding all the cattle that was coming into the ranch. So when they impounded them, the cattle owners attacked them.
Gashakwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.